worship you like holy days. Lying on my back, seeing clouds and rays. Drinking lime and bitter from my lemonade. White horses, every time won't do.
I worship you like holy days, sunny days, no rainy days. Just me and my boo. When we talk about our future, our plans, and all this love is good enough to be a fairy tale. We don't need no crazy things, we just here living our dreams. And I know my baby loving it.
Holy days, lying on my back, seeing clouds and rays. Drinking lime and bitter from my lemonade. White horses, every time won't do.
I worship you like
Holy Communion on Sunday. This year can only go one way. This type of love is like gunplay. We shoot it out on the runway. You kick me out on a Monday. I left my phone in your Hyundai. You saw a text from a no flame. She wanna have drinks but it's so late. You reply, that's what they all say. We fight it out at your crib, then it's foreplay. I love your smile, it reminds me of Colgate. Holidays all day, red wine and no J's. Vodka tastes better with lemonade cold drink. I'm having visions of me and you smoking. Girl, you so high, you keep saying we soulmates. I worship you like a Christian in roleplay.
I worship you like holy